With inspection version 6 or greater, applications are installed from the Install screen. If the application SPX or SPR file is on a USB drive, insert the drive into the system. Wait for a few seconds to ensure the drive is detected. From the System Shell menu, select Install. Under Type, choose Application. Next, navigate to the location of the application file and select it. Make sure the correct file type is selected. Click Open. If local history or SPC data exists and you wish to keep it, make sure the Clear First checkboxes are not checked. Click OK to install the application file. Once the application is installed, the Inspection System Shell will appear again. The process is complete. The application and version are displayed in the bottom left corner. Refer to the Inspection System Shell User Guide for more information.